Hey everyone, Aja here from Pandamonium. I am at the hospital because my uncle had problems last night with his heart. So we're here with him. And yeah, I wish they took better care of themselves. They don't really have the best lifestyle choices when it comes to eating. So hopefully he'll be okay. Okay, so where are we going?
Let's eat first.
Oh, I know, but where are we going?
I need a freaking, honey. You know, super salad?
Do you know how to get there?
Well, put it in Google.
Okay.
It's in a 14. Come on, I know how.
Okay,
Yeah,
I got it. Yeah, okay. And how's he feeling?
Gonna keep him tonight still. Dang it. Because they're gonna check his stress.
Monitor it.
Yeah.
Super salad. Oh no, Tyrion's got one to go to super salad with us.
You wanna? Well, there's shower right now. Well, ask them. Let's go because I need to change my shoes anyway.
Oh, you want to go back home?
Yeah,
first?
my shoes is hurting me.
Okay, all right.
Don't run over the skinny. Us.
Okay.
No driving, talking.
No, I was gonna do the GPS.
I know they like.
Do you know how to get back home?
Yeah, go back over there.
Mom always knows the way.
Not too long. She's getting old. Soon she forget.
I know. Should we? Okay, where am I at?
No, turn left here.
Well, I'm gonna go to the end and then turn left.
Why you have to go over there? There's a lot of the traffic. Why don't you come over here and go straight over
Mama, I'm going to the.
You know what?
All the way there and then take a left.
Maria's stressed on her because she don't stop. And then Maria she stop in the middle of the street. Okay, where is it? To get temper.
Oh, I remember.
Oh, is you with us?
Yes, I
Did
think
you do
so,
that?
yeah.
So you better tell her where or what.
It's okay. It's starting to warm up. It was chilly earlier.
I'm still cold.
Were you?
I gotta change.
Now?
Yeah.
I gotta cut off.
I'm gonna change my.
Why is the dual on?
I don't know. I don't know what the dual is.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's just heavy traffic here.
It's not heavy traffic. It's two cars.
Well, you know what? We can, if they know how to, if they got GPS, I'm sure they know where to go.
Yeah, but you want to go home and change your shoes, right?
Yeah, because this shoes is killing me.
Okay, that's fine. We'll go
I'm
home
just
real
gonna
quick.
wear the thin shoes so I can really walk.
I think I remember how to get there.
I'm sure you're smart, honey.
Yeah, I drove here, so I think I remember.
And 14.
It was pretty. It was
14.
pretty. It was pretty easy. Get on your side of the road, dude.
Dude.
It's heavy traffic here.
All right, heading home.
Standing in a glass bowl at the end of a black hole, cold, lost and upside down. Faces swirling past me.
Did you get some comfy shoes on?
Huh?
Did you get some comfy shoes on?
I don't have no shoes, I'll tell you.
Oh, no, that looks comfy.
It's hurting my what do you call that?
The inside.
Yeah, the side in your feet.
So we've come to a local park to have some lunch, and then we're gonna go for a walk. Yay! Oh yeah, it's hot in this car. Alright. Are y'all ready? I got to look up the park, or I mean the hiking trail. Let's see. Is she inside? Oh, that was you. hiking trail. There's the Rainbow Hills Park and picnic walk. Let's see what that looks like. Rainbow Hills Park. And go. Go, go, go. Okay.
I just threw the thing because it's watery.
Yeah.
It's a lot of water in it.
I don't like fast food salads because they're not. They use that head lettuce and that
I like the
has
one
no
that you make.
nutrients.
I like that.
Yeah. Oh, the Caesar salad? Yeah, because that has
Yeah.
romaine in it. And romaine's really good for you.
I don't know. They don't drain the salad. It's full of water in it.
Right.
Tardis.
In order.
Okay.
McDonald's, they use, they have a little bit spinach and kale variety.
I don't like kale.
Yeah, as long as you don't eat that much, because you know kale make your stomach big too.
Makes you gassy, Mama. Kale's actually good for you.
Yeah, but it's
Just not a lot
people
of it.
that got problem with gassy cannot eat it.
Yeah. Speed bump. Alright, Momo. Good girl. Alright. There we go.
Where you walk?
On the trail. So we found a local park that also has a walking trail. And that's what we're getting ready to do, is go walking. Right, Moo-moo? So there's neighborhoods on both sides of this trail. It's not the best walking trail that I've been on, but at least I can get exercise. And I'm trying to get my family to exercise more too. You know, they're getting older, so. You doing okay, Mama?
No.
She hates to walk, but at least she's trying. Well, no, oh, we lost her. Oh no. Come on, woman. My aunt used to run all the time, so she's used to exercise. How you feel, Virgie? How you feel? Okay. So this leads to a big open field with a children's playground. How was it?
Good.
Mama's in the lead. Go, woman, go.
Ready to go back.
You don't tie your shoes properly, Mama? You know, double knot so that way they don't come out. Mine do that sometimes too.
Oh, here's someone trying to get inside.
Huh? Oh, the alarm.
Uh-huh.
That's at a house.
You know what? They charge you that, you know.
We almost made it back. She's lagging a bit, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, good job, Mama. Let's see how much we actually walked. 0.70. So we had 0.3 left.
Really?
Yeah. Alright, let's go to the car so you can get some water.
Okay.
Okay, come on. You good? Come on. Well, we made it back to my aunt's house, and I'm so proud of my mom and my aunt for going on a walk. Hopefully, once my uncle is out of the hospital and feels better, they can get him to start eating healthier and also going for walks. I think that will do him really well. Hopefully. Fingers crossed. I had gotten some mail. That's something cool. You know I love my glasses. So, I got these super cool glasses. And they light up. I don't think you can really see. I'll show you later. But see, they do light up and blinky. Those are much cooler than my other ones. Yeah, I got those. I actually saw a lady at the van build. No, it was at the Partiar. And she had some cool glasses like that. And I was so jealous. I was like, oh my god, I need glasses like that. She said she got them online. And I was able to find them online. And they were really cheap, actually. I think they were only like $7, $8. Yeah. And I said I was going to unbox this. But before I do the unboxing on that, I got some mail from a subscriber, so I'm going to open it up. This is from Michelle. She had contacted me and asked for the address that she had something she wanted to send me. So I told her since I was going to my aunt's, that would be a perfect time to do it. If I can get this open. There it goes. So I don't really know what this is. But it says, hello, Miss Aja. This screamed at me. Hope you like it. Appreciate your channel. Be safe, Michelle. And her YouTube name is Miss Bucket. Thank you, Michelle. I'm not sure exactly what it is. Oh, that's cool. Pandamonium. Awesome. Thank you so much. She must have had that made because I couldn't see this just being anywhere. Just finding it because usually Pandamonium, that is spelled with an E. So, thank you. I appreciate that. Oh my god. I just noticed. Look at the little panda inside. That is super cute. That reminds me, I forgot to show you what my sister had gotten me. She got me a tea mug. It's pretty cool. Has T-Vania on it. And it has a lid with a seal around it. So it seals and it's a sippy cup. I like that as well too. Love these cups. Okay, now it is time to unbox this. I'm really excited about doing a 360 video. I'm not sure if all of y'all have seen 360 videos. I checked one out the other night and I was really excited. Here it is here. My favorite color on the inside. Okay, so this comes with the 360 camera. It has a lens on both sides. There's the monitor right there. If you need to change the settings. I am super excited to mess with this. There's the instruction manual. Not that I like to read those or anything. It comes with a carrying case. Cool. And also, I'm going to give you some of the specs on it. Comes with 2 mounts. There's this mount and that mount. I'll definitely be using that on the dash because I might do some 360 driving videos, which will be cool because then you can just flip around. There are 2 ways to watch 360 videos. You use your finger to move so you can see all the way around. That's the way some people do it, or actually most people, I think. But there's another way. All you do is just move your phone up, down, side to side, and you can watch a 360 video. So maybe when I go to the gardens, we're going to go to a garden maze, which is about 20-something miles away from here. That might make a cool 360 video. I might do that on 360. Okay, so back to this. 2 mounts. It comes with the data and charging cable. Here's a screw tab that screws into there and keeps it mounted. And it comes with a bigger battery. Unfortunately, it's not the same size as my other one, so I'll have to buy some extra batteries for this. Also, a USB charger. And last but not least, it comes with this handheld tripod. You can use it as a handheld grip, or it extends, which is cool. So you can reach out. Also, it does turn into a table tripod, or you can just set it down on the ground. That's awesome. I've been wanting one of these anyways. It doesn't extend out too far, but good enough. This camera just ran out of batteries, but fortunately I bought 2 spare batteries for this camera and also a DC charger. It's so much easier to charge this stuff with DC than rather having to plug it into 110. I'm going to go over the specs here. It's a 360 camera at 18 megapixels. It shoots 5.2 at 30 frames per second, or 3K in 60 frames per second, which is really good. It has built-in stabilization, and it has overcapture. I'm not sure what that feature is yet, at 1080p at 30 frames per second, or 720 at 60 frames per second. That it does a 360 time lapse, which is super cool. So you can see all the way around when the time lapse is going. It is waterproof up to 16 feet or 5 meters. It's voice activated. It does have built-in location, and it is 360 sound. So it has a mic on both sides, and the sound is 360. This is super awesome. There's the things that come with it again. That's what the tripod looks like. It's the handheld, or you can use it as a monopod or a selfie stick. And then there is the tripod. The batteries usually don't come fully charged, so that's what I'm getting ready to do, is charge this battery. So it'll be good to go for whenever I need to use... Hold on a second. Oh, I bet I can use this with my old charger. Because if it's down into the charger like that, and this seems the same width, I'll check and see. So unfortunately it does not work with my old charger, which is okay because I still can charge it through DC, because you just open the little port and plug it in and it charges that way. I am going to still order 2 batteries for it and another DC charger, just in case. I always like having extra batteries around. And that is it, the GoPro Fusion 360 camera. I'm going to be really excited to use this. So keep an eye out for upcoming videos. Once again, thank you, Michelle. This is freaking awesome. I love the little panda in there. I'll definitely keep you updated on how my uncle is doing. When we visited him today, he seemed to be doing better than he was last night, thankfully. But they just wanted to keep him there just for precaution, and so they can monitor his condition. Moo-moo and I want to thank y'all for hanging out with us today. Hopefully we'll see you in the next video. I was supposed to go hang out with my sister, but it's just been a long day today, and I told her I'll hang out with her tomorrow. Because she gets off work during the weekday about 4 or 5, and it's just kind of late. So I'm just going to chill the rest of the day. Once again, thanks for hanging out with us, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and onward bound. We love you guys out there. Bye for now. Bye.